Overview of AI tools in funnel creation. So when we are talking about funnel today, how can we mess AI out of it? So welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at how AI can revolutionize the way you create or you have been creating and optimizing your online funnels. So AI no longer is just a buzzword, but it's a powerful ally in your marketing toolkit. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about AI tools for generating content. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, Copy AI can help you write compelling copy for every stage of your funnel. From catchy headlines to persuasive sales pages, these tools use advanced algorithms to create content that resonates with your audience, provided you give the right prompt and the right input. Next, we have AI-powered tools like Canva and GoHighLevel that uses AI to help you create stunning landing pages and visuals without needing a graphic designer. Yes, Canva, when mixed with the power of GoHighLevel, you can create stunning landing pages without needing a professional landing page builder or a graphic designer. So these tools offer templates and suggestions, making the design process quick and easy. These tools offer templates and suggestions, making the design process quick and easy. But that's not all. AI can also help with data analysis. Tools like Google Analytics and Funnel Dash use AI to provide insights into your funnel performance. They highlight areas where you can improve and predict trends, helping you stay ahead of the curve. Finally, let's talk about automation. Tools like GoHighLevel and ClickFunnels can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on strategy. Imagine setting up automated email sequences, follow-ups, and more, all powered by AI, and you can do it all on tools like GoHighLevel. AI tools make the funnel creation process faster, more efficient, and much more effective. We'll see all of that in the practical lessons. They help you create personalized, high-converting funnels with less effort. In the incoming sections, we'll explore these tools in detail and show you how to use them to build your own funnel. Excited to get started? I am extremely excited. Let's move on and begin building our funnel with the power of AI.